Hello everyone, welcome to this video clip. In this video, we will understand how to use Divine Parent Portal app. So first of all, we need to download the app from the Play Store. So we will go to the Play Store, then we will type Divine Parent Portal app. Now here you will get the option for downloading and installing it. Once it is installed, you will get the option of opening the app. Let's open the app. Now you can see the following interface. Here you have to enter your admission number. So first of all, we will enter our admission number. Then we will go to the password. So for password, we will write first of all DPS in capital letters, followed by the date of birth. So we will enter the date of birth now. Then we need to select the branch, and then we will click on login. Now here we can see the interface is open. Now we need to go to the examination tab. Here we can see two options are visible for downloading the question PDF and for uploading the PDF. Now first of all, we need to download the question paper. So we'll click on this. The question paper is being downloaded. Yes, now it is downloaded. So we can view the question paper now. Okay. So sometimes it may happen that it is not visible to you in the first time. So you need to go to that file browser to see whether the question paper is being downloaded or not. So you will go to the files, and in the download section, you will find your file downloaded. Okay. So we'll click there, and again you can see the question paper from it. Now once you have seen the questions, you will start writing your answers in the answer sheet. Once you have completed your answers in the answer sheet, you need to scan the pages using the Microsoft Office lens. So first of all, we will go to our Microsoft Office lens. Now we will scan the pages. As per the number of pages, we will scan. We will adjust the borders so that the whole answer sheet is visible properly. Then we will confirm it. Okay. Now we will go to the add option for next page. Now suppose we are having another page. Now after clicking these two pages, we will go to the confirm option again by adjusting the borders. Now you can see two pages are there. Let's click on that. Now we'll go to the done option. Here you will write the name of the file in a proper order. First of all, you will enter your subject name, then your admission number, followed by the name of the student. Let's take an example like ABC. Okay. Once you have given the name, you will enter your class. Okay. Now the file naming is done. Now let's select the PDF option there. Okay. After selecting the PDF, we'll go to the save option, and our PDF is created. Now we need to just upload that answer sheet. So we'll go back to our app, and now we will click on the upload PDF option. Again, we need to browse for that particular file. We saved it as maths and 123 and the name of the student. So let's go and to that particular folder. So in the documents, we will go to the office lens folder, and then here we will find that particular, yes, that is present here, maths 123. Yes, we are going to click that. Yes, it will take time to upload, it depends upon the internet speed. Now once it is uploaded, it will show the message PDF upload status. It is showing that PDF uploaded successfully. Now you will click on OK, and now you can see our PDF has successfully uploaded of the answer sheet. Now the same steps is to be repeated for all the other examinations. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you everyone.